I hope you're able to see my screen. Okay, so I've launched the ScreencastOmatic application. I had installed it. I have shared a video which shows us the step-by-step on how to access the ScreencastOmatic website and install the application. So I'll share it with us on our WhatsApp. So for this particular session of the tutorial, I'll start with the point at which you've already installed the ScreencastOmatic and you are now want to record. So once you load the ScreencastOmatic, this is how it looks like. I hope we are able to all able to see it on my screen. So there's this take a screenshot, then there's launch recorder, then there's project manager, then there is uploads. I'm going to focus on this one, recorder. So if you have the ScreencastOmatic and you want to record, and by the way, maybe I can start by saying there are 2 types of recordings that you can make, or rather 3. The first type of recording, yes, mostly you have your hand raised up. You have a question?
Yes, I just have a question. I'm trying to log into ScreencastOmatic on my desktop. It's not connected on internet. And then it's not launching. It's asking me to check on the internet connection. Do I have to be connected on the internet for it to work?
Okay, when you're initially loading it, when you're initially installing, you must be connected to the internet. So what happens is that when you go to the ScreencastOmatic website, maybe I can just go there. This I captured in one of the videos, which I'm going to share with you. So you have to go to the ScreencastOmatic website, and then you click this option, record for free. Once you click this option, record for free, there is a downloader that will download launch free recorder. So there's for me, I've already installed. There is a file that will download. Are you seeing what it's telling me? Download app. Are you seeing that? So there is what we call a web launch record. Okay, it is an exe file. So for the web launch recorder, you need, while online, while connected to the internet, you double click it to install it. Seeing that? So once you have installed it, subsequently, you do not need to be online for you to actually be able to use it. It will be now installed on your device or on your computer. Is that clear, Bosley?
Noted.
Okay, so you may need to have, I needed you to have gone through the steps of first installing it. So once you have done this, then you can be able to launch it even when you are offline. Okay, so you will practice after this. So for me, since I've already installed it, I can open it. I can open it as you've noted. Okay. Okay, so when it has already taken me to the record mode. So this is how it looks like. You notice it's telling me record screen, record webcam, or record both. I was noting that there are 2 types of recordings you can do. For example, for us who teach IT, or for example, you have software you want to train the students on how it works. You open the software itself, the software screen, then you're able to record the screen. If you click screen, it will be recording the screen and recording your audio. You see that? So as you move through the screen, it will be recording your entire screen as you navigate through the screen. You may be having a PowerPoint slide. So you want to do what we call voice over PowerPoint. So make sure that you have opened your PowerPoint. And then when you've opened your PowerPoint, then you can click the option screen because you want to record your screen. And then you start recording. The button for starting to record is here. If you start recording, the system will begin, give you that, then go, then it will be recording as you move through. As you are recording, you can be making annotations on screen, So for example, if I am teaching mathematical courses, I am actually able to make annotations on screen. And the menu for making annotations on screen is actually appearing on the top. So I can be making my annotations on screen as I record. So I may be showing the students how to work with x squared plus y squared. So I'm showing them how you do the expansion. It helps a lot if you have a touch screen. For the annotations, it really helps if you have a touch screen. because with that, then you are able to easily write even with your fingers on screen as you are recording. Seeing that? If you want to erase, you can actually erase. The eraser tool is there. Okay, you can erase. When you want to move through from one screen to another, you need to exit drawing so that now you can move. Okay, so the Screen-O-Matic, when you're recording your screen, it allows you to record your screen, and you can also be making annotations on screen as you're recording. You note, you can change the color of your pen. I'm sure you've all seen the Khan Academy videos. If some of you may have seen the Khan Academy videos. This is how the Khan Academy videos are produced, where the instructor is able to actually make annotations on screen while recording their screen, and the system is recording their audio. Okay, so that is how you actually record your screen. And remember, your screen can be anything. It can be a software, a software that you have opened, which you are actually demonstrating, and you're showing the students how to navigate the software. For example, it can be a Microsoft Word application. I'm teaching the students introduction to Microsoft Word. So I can open the Word application. I can just open the Word application, and then when on the Word application, I can be explaining to the students the different menus. So I can telling them this is the ribbon, these are the icons. I can be showing them various aspects of the screen as the system is recording. Okay, and this is a trick you can use for those who are teaching mathematical courses. You can actually open a plain Word file like this, and you can actually be demonstrating your mathematical questions that you can be demonstrating to the students. Exit drawing. Okay, so that is it. Once you're done, you can click the stop recording. The stop recording button usually appears at the bottom left of your screen. So I can stop the recording. Okay, can stop the recording. So I've stopped recording. So the recording is done. Then I can click done. Here I can click done. And then I can instruct it now to save my file. So I'll save. It will instruct me asking, you see? So that is the file that I was recording. I can preview it and listen to it. So you notice that I can just preview, then I can save as a video file so that it saves as an MP4, which then I can upload on YouTube. So I click the option video file. Okay, then I indicate publish. But then I need to specify where I want it to be saved. For me, it will be saved on the desktop, or I can browse on my machine for a specific location. So I'll just keep it at desktop, then say okay, then click publish. So what it does, it will start to publish my file. Publishing my file means it begins to create the MP4 version of my recording, which I can access on my desktop.